So hi guys, it's Faith, and we're here to talk about design thinking. So yeah, stay tuned. Hi guys, so design thinking, the truth is making the complex simple, making the entire brainstorming process of trying to break down a complex program into simply, like making that simple as possible. That's what design thinking is all about. So going into more details, design thinking is a methodology, but that designers use to brainstorm and solve complex problems are related to designing and design engineering. It's also like beneficial to designers to find innovative, desirable, and never thought before solutions for customers and clients. I mean, when you're trying to develop, solutions as regards from industries or from different industries or different areas like healthcare, wellness, agriculture, food security, I think education, financial service, basically the entire environmental sustainability and all. There are a few things that come into mind because there are so many complex problems that that needs to be solved, and design thinking helps to break it down into the most simplest form and finding solutions to direct problems. The interactive design process of design thinking helps designers to involve clients and customers in meaningful ways. It is not just a strategy to come up with feasible solutions to a problem, but also a method to think of unimaginable solutions and then trying to make them not feasible, but also viable. Not just feasible, viable, you guys get. So design thinking is a blend of logic, powerful imagination, systematic reasoning, intuition. But to bring all this to the tables, it's just basically to solve a problem for clients with desirable outcomes. Now, it helps to bring creativity with business insights, business insights, application across professions. It helps to support and encourage for design thinking for big entities. It is easy to understand the significance and the influence that design thinking will assume in the near future for all sorts of professions. Design thinking is at the core of development of efficiency and efficient strategies in any organization. Now, design thinking is a five-step process where each step focuses on specific goals. So the steps will be defined or will be broken down later on. When it comes to design thinking is better from design thinkers, and design thinkers are expected to not just think of the following steps when working on one step. For example, it's not recommended to think of solutions when the problems are being defined. It's proper to first start from definition of the problem, whereby the problems are defined and are written in detail without missing any point. And even then, you now begin to break it down to finding solutions to that problem. And this is the first part of the entire design thinking. There are several other parts, so you guys should stay tuned.